Good evening and welcome to the news. Let's now take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed ways to strengthen Namami Gange initiative in National Ganga Council meet. Initiatives on to improve the housing satisfaction ratio of Central Armed Force, says Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Meghalaya BJP launched the anti-drug campaign in East Shillong constituency. And the United Democratic Party is unhappy with the follow-up actions of the state government on Mukro incident. Now the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that National Ganga Council meet was a great opportunity to discuss ways to further strengthen the Namami Gange initiative. In a series of tweets, the Prime Minister said he spoke about the ways to enhance cleanliness efforts, including expanding the network of sewage treatment plants in smaller towns. During the meeting, emphasis was laid on ways to enhance various forms of herbal farming along the Ganga. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the government has taken various initiatives to improve the housing satisfaction ratio of Central Armed Forces. Laying the foundation stone for the Central Detective Training Institute and Bureau of Police Research and Development in the Bangalore Rural District, the Home Minister informed that 31,000 houses are built, 17,000 are under construction and 15,000 are under approvals. He added it will improve the housing satisfaction ratio to over 60%. The Union Home Minister also inaugurated the Housing and Administrative Office of Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Meghalaya BJP launched the anti-drug campaign in East Shillong constituency. The campaign includes constituting a statewide anti-drug team along with the BJP releasing a party 8-point proposal to counter the drug menace in the state. The 8 points proposal includes coordinated interstate government monitoring, Northeast Anti-Drug Squad, establishing a directorate of prosecution in Meghalaya, state-run de-addiction center separately for male and females, subsidized grant for counseling center, regular counseling at school and colleges, engaging anti-drug volunteers at booth levels and toll-free assistance for those seeking treatment. The party President Ernest Maury said that different programs will be carried out statewide to counter this problem. The United Democratic Party, an ally of the NPP-led NBA coalition, is not satisfied by the role played by the Meghalaya government in the Mukro incident. UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh said that follow-up actions of the state government has been trivial and whatever has been done so far is so inconsequential and it does not seem like the government is really putting its foot down. He hinted that his party was virtually without power despite being a part of the ruling coalition headed by the NPP.
Is something so trivial, so inconsequential that it does not seem like the government is really pushing and putting its foot down on the Mukro incident. We have people in office, but they are not in power. They are in office, not in power.
United Democratic Party or UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh said that he will lead from the front if any attempt is made to trample the rights of the Khasi Jaintia people. He made the statement in the context of Assam Police Special Branch secret letter inquiring about the number of churches and the rate of conversions to Christianity in Assam, stating that the president generation will not allow any other forms of coercion. He said that he will lead from the front to ensure that nobody tramples upon the rights of the people.
In fact, our rulers, the traditional chieftains, were coerced into acceding to India. Now, after that coercion, this generation will not allow any other form of coercion. And I will lead from the front to make sure that we do not succumb to any pressure. With that same spirit, we will put up resistance of any form to make sure that nobody tramples upon our rights.
UDP working president and former MLA Paul Lingdor said he considers himself a winner in West Shillong constituency based on his strength and the 31 years of service he has rendered as a public leader. Stating that the preparation for the 2023 Assembly polls is going on very well in his home turf, he said that he has been for 3 terms a member of the Assembly and 4 times as a cabinet minister and now an executive member of the KHADC, which is for the first time has enhanced its power by getting the authority to issue building permission in areas that was once under the control of the state government. He said with these strengths, he considered himself a winner.
31 years of experience as a public leader, 3 terms as a member of the Assembly, 4 times as a minister of the cabinet, now a member and an executive member of the KHADC, which for the first time has now enhanced its power by having been given the authority to issue building permissions in areas that were once under the control of the state government. Now, with these strengths, I consider myself a winner.
And now let's take a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 13.7 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature recorded 5.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 73% and in the evening was 74%. The forecast shows that light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily news bulletin. Before we end the bulletins, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed ways to strengthen Namami Gange initiative in National Ganga Council meet. Initiatives on to improve the housing satisfaction ratio of Central Armed Forces, says Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Meghalaya BJP launched the anti-drug campaign in East Shillong constituency. And the United Democratic Party is unhappy with the follow-up actions of the state government on Mukra incident. That's all we have for the news today. Thank you for watching.